डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8 आपको दिया गया है. डिवाइड 3x² माइनस एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x प्लस 5 बाई x माइनस 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड वेरीफाई division algorithm. Okay. So first of all, I will show you the division. So for to divide, I will write this divisor in standard form. So what is the standard form? I will write minus x square, then plus x, because here x is plus, then minus 1. Okay. And then I will divide. So what is our dividend? जिसमें डिवाइड करना होता है, that is called dividend. Okay. So our dividend is not also in the standard form. So first of all, I will write this also in standard form. It means first I write higher degree term first, then say less higher, then less higher, and so on. So first I will write minus x cube, then I will write plus 3x square, then I will write minus 3x, then I will write plus 5. Okay. Now I have to divide. So just have a look here. This is our dividend, minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is our dividend, and this is our divisor, minus x square plus x minus 1. So what is the degree of dividend? The degree of dividend is 3 and the degree of divisor is 2. So for division to take place, the degree of dividend must be higher or equal to the divisor. Okay. So for to get the first term of quotient, I will divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor. Okay. So what will I get? This is actually my rough work. I will divide minus x cube by minus x square. So minus minus cancel and x square से जब आप x cube में divide करोगे, so you will get x. So I will write x here. Now I multiply this x with divisor, each term of divisor. So when you multiply x with minus x square, you will get minus x cube. When you multiply x with this x, you will get x square. When you multiply this x with minus 1, you will get minus x. Now I will subtract. So the sign will change. This minus sign will become plus sign. This plus sign will become minus sign. This minus sign will become plus sign. Okay. So now what will happen? This is minus x cube. This is plus x cube. So it will be cancel out. This is plus 3x square. This is minus x square. So you will get plus 2x square. This is minus 3x. This is plus x. So you will get minus 2x. Now I will take this 5 down. So I am writing plus 5. Now our new dividend is 2x square minus 2x plus 5. This is our new dividend, because in this dividend we have to divide by this divisor. So check the degree. Degree of this polynomial 2x square minus 2x plus 5 is 2. Okay. and degree of the divisor is already 2. So degree of this divisor and degree of this new dividend are equal. So we can divide. So we first, for to get the second term of quotient, I will divide this 2x square by first term of divisor. So I divide 2x square by x square minus x square. Okay, so what I get, x square से x square cancel हो गया, ये नीचे minus है ऊपर 2 है, so I will get minus 2. So I write this minus 2 in quotient portion. Now I will multiply this minus 2 with each term of divisor. So when you multiply this minus 2 with minus x square, you will get minus plus 2x square. When you multiply this minus 2 with this x, you will get minus 2x. When you multiply this minus 2 with this minus 1, you will get minus plus 2. Now I will subtract. So this plus sign will become minus, this minus sign will become plus, this plus sign will become minus. This is plus 2x square, this is minus 2x square, so they will cancel out. This is minus 2x, this is plus 2x, so they will cancel out. This is plus 5, this is minus 2, so you will get plus 3. Now check now this is our new dividend, okay, and this is our divisor. So the degree of divisor is 2. Degree of divisor is 2 and there is no variable, okay, only a constant term as a dividend. So degree of dividend has become here 0, okay. So we cannot divide further. So it is our remainder. Okay. So now the plus 3 is our remainder. Okay. Now quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is plus 3. What was our divisor? Divisor was minus x square plus x minus 1. And what was our dividend? What was our dividend? Our dividend was minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now in the question it was said that verify division algorithm. So what is division algorithm? What is the division algorithm? As per division algorithm, as per division algorithm, this dividend must be equal to product of quotient and divider plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So I will multiply divisor and quotient plus remainder and I will check whether that will be equal to dividend or not. So divisor was minus x square plus x minus 1 and quotient was x minus 2 and remainder was plus 3. So let us multiply. So this minus x square will multiply into x. So what will you get? Multiply first term of divisor with quotient. So to make it more simplify, what I write like this. Okay, now it was plus 6, so plus x, not 6. I will multiply x minus 2, then it was minus 1. So I write minus 1 into x minus 2 and it was plus. So I write plus here. Now multiply minus x square into x, you will get minus x cube. Then multiply 2 with minus x square, so you will get minus 2x square. Multiply x into x, you will get x square. Multiply with minus 2, you will get minus 2x. Now multiply minus 1 into x, you will get minus x. Minus minus plus 2 and it is plus 3. Now it is minus x cube. So I write minus x cube. This is minus 2x square and this is plus x square. So you will get minus x square. This is minus 2x and this is minus x. So you will get minus 3x. This is plus 2 and this is plus 3. So you get plus 5. And just compare. It is minus x cube. Somewhere I think I have mistaken. Okay, got it. Actually, it is x minus 2. So by mistake, I write it x plus 2. So it is actually x minus 2. So when you multiply minus x square into x, you will get minus x cube. When you multiply minus minus, it will be plus 2x square and this is plus x square. So you will get plus 3x square. Now this is minus 3x plus 5. So you can compare that this is equal to our dividend, minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. That is equal to dividend. Okay. So division algorithm is verified. Okay. So what is actually division algorithm? Division algorithm is dividend must be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is called the division algorithm. Okay class, I hope that this example is clear to you. Okay.